Okay, you can see here the eminidaytrader software has indicated a buy at 11:16.25. If you take a look on the chart and see that blue up arrow, there's a price just above it, so I've placed an order to buy 4 on a limit order, and we'll just put this on pause here for a moment, and when it comes back down and hit it, we'll restart the video again. Okay, well, you can see I had a bit of a glitch there with my computer. Wasn't able to start it up just when we got filled, but as you can see, the market did come down and fill us at 116.25. It did dip down to 115. You can see our initial stop there at 14.75 was not hit. As a matter of fact, we've just reached our first objective, so you can see that the stop has jumped up from 14.75 3 ticks to 15.50. Worst case scenario now is if the market were to turn around and hit 1550, we would lose the same amount that we just made. So that's why we exit one half of our position at our first objective of just 3 ticks. There you can see my, I better click on that. Yeah, okay, that was my browser was having a problem, got hung up on that. So we'll just wait and see here. Now, if the market can rally up to 1775, our stop here at 1550 will then bump up to 1625 for break even, and even if the market goes up and hits 1775 and doesn't fill us, as soon as it hits 1775, our stop will bump up to break even for 2 contracts. Once we have been filled at 1775 on a sell order with 1 contract, that sell stop, the protective sell stop at 1550, that'll jump up to 1625, will reduce down to 1 contract. So we'll just see how it goes here as far as actually hitting 1775 and adjusting the stop. It looks like we're going to hit it here pretty quickly. And let me just scroll down the screen here so you can see where I have the 4th contract exit order, which is a sell limit at 11:20.25. So when setting up this automated trade management feature in Ninja, if you do have 4 contracts like we do here, then you have to set up an exit for all 4. And the exit that we set up just as a default exit, because you have to put something in, is for 4 points. And of course, in our methodology, in most cases we will cancel that order and then let the software dictate where we should actually exit. And of course, that's done on a real-time basis as we follow the paint bars and so forth. So just kind of hovering in here back to our, just dip back down to our entry price here. Maybe we can get a bit of a bump here and hit that second objective of 1.5 points. Looks like it's moving up nicely here. So watch it closely here, see what happens when it hits 1775. Okay, you can see we still got a stop for 2. Then when it gets filled, the stop is reduced down to 1. So the software does a good job. This is not our software doing that, of course. This is the automated trade management feature that is part of the Ninja Trader software program or trading platform. So we like to use it because it's just one less thing to do to manually have to adjust your orders like that. And setting up the automated trade management feature is very easy. Anyone can do it. You don't need to be a programmer, of course. And once you've got it set up, then you select whatever strategy. You can select as many strategies as you want. The one that we put into effect is a strategy that allows us to go ahead and when we enter an order for 4 contracts, then immediately, let's say it's a long trade like this one, immediately our sell stop is placed 6 ticks below our entry price. So on this trade we were long at 16.25, and you saw at the beginning of the video how our protective sell stop was initially placed at 14.75, a point and a half lower, and then when our first objective is hit, that stop bumped up from 14.75 to 15.50, so we only had a 3-tick risk, and now that we've hit our second objective, which is a plus point and a half, which is equivalent to 6 ticks, then our stop is brought all the way up to break even. And that is just kind of our basic trade management protocol. And as our traders develop their own style and so forth, obviously they make adjustments on that, but it's the one that we like to start with because it's a very basic kind of trade management system. Okay, there we just got stopped out. So our trade management system really is designed so that we're really protecting our capital when we're in the trade and offering us the best opportunities when we are in the trade. So anyway, that's the live trade for today. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and we'll see you again soon.